8 health benefits of aloe vera juice. The aloe vera plant has been used as a cure for many years. The juice of the aloe vera plant is a thick, gooey juice made from the aloe vera leaf. Lots of people use this juice to treat sunburns, but it can be used for many other things too. It can be mixed into smoothies and shakes, which makes it a very easy cure to use. What can drinking aloe vera juice cure? 1. Alkalinity. A body with a very high acid level will be full of disease because illness will grow quickly there. To help keep your body healthy, eat and drink alkaline foods and drinks like aloe vera juice. 2. Hydration. The aloe plant is full of water, so it helps stop you from getting dehydrated. Keeping your body hydrated will help force bad bacteria out of your body. Drinking aloe vera juice will also fill your body with nutrients that help your organs work properly. This is important because the liver and kidneys are the organs that get the bad bacteria out of your blood and create urine. For this reason, you have to keep them healthy. After you do heavy exercise, you need to rehydrate by taking in more water. This is to get rid of the lactic acid that builds up during exercise. Instead of coconut water, try drinking aloe vera juice after your next workout. 3. Liver function. Aloe vera juice is full of water and phytonutrients. This is great for the liver because it needs water and nutrients to work well. The liver is in charge of cleaning the bad bacteria out of the body, so it's important for it to stay healthy. 4. For constipation, aloe vera juice will fill your intestines with water. Research shows that lots of water in the intestines helps peristalsis, which will help you pass stool normally. If you're having problems with constipation, try drinking aloe vera juice every day. This will help keep the healthy bacteria in your intestines at a normal level. 5. For clear skin. Aloe vera juice can help stop acne from coming about. It can also stop skin conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Aloe vera is also full of antioxidants and vitamins that can help your skin. It can guard from ultraviolet UV radiation, fix the skin from UV damage, and help stop fine lines and wrinkles. 6. Nutritious boost. Because aloe vera juice is full of vitamins and minerals like vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid, drinking it is a great way to make sure your body isn't missing all these nutrients. Aloe vera is also one of the only plants that have vitamin B12. This is great for vegetarians and vegans. Making sure to eat and drink things with lots of nutrients is a main way to guard against disease. 7. Heartburn relief. Drinking aloe vera juice can help ease heartburn. This is because the juice helps control the acid flow in your stomach. This will fight gastric ulcers and keep them from getting bigger. 8. Digestive benefits. Aloe vera has enzymes that help the digestive system run smoothly by breaking down sugars and fats. If your digestive system isn't working properly, you won't be able to get all the nutrients from the food you're eating. For this reason, it's important to keep your digestive system healthy. Aloe vera may also help cut down soreness in the stomach and intestines. It can also help people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other swelling disorders of the intestines. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.